want to take a note section right here, and let's just go around and let's say I'm making a shopping list. So I'm just going to go around, say apples right here, and I'm going to go around and say tomato right here, just like this. Let me just go around and say bread as well, and then milk, just like this. So let's say this is what I want to turn into a proper list. In that case, what you can do is you can select it out right here. And then what you can do is go to the more section. And here what you can do is you can show up checkboxes right here. That turns this into a checkbox list, as you can see, just like this. And you can go around and tick it off right here, just like this. And you can see it says completed items. And you can even remove out the items that has been ticked off. And you can also go around and then click on it again to bring it back over here on the main section. Over here, you can see it says list items. So if I were to go around and type in something else, like let's say, for example, vitamins right here, then there you go. It is in the list right here. You can also rearrange out the list by clicking and dragging out the list items right here up and down, as you can see, and you can close and delete this as well. But if you want to turn this into a regular note once more, then all you need to do is click on the more button right here, just like this, and then you can simply hide the checkboxes right here. And that is how you can go around and show checkboxes and turn your notes into a list inside of Google Keep. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.